How to enter debit card information in Google Pay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, in here, click on Payments and Subscriptions. After that, click on Payment Methods at the top. After you have selected Payment Methods at the top, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Add Credit or Debit Card. Then you will need to add your card number, which is in front of your card. Add the number, then press on month and year, then add billing address. After you have done that, you can enter and you're good to go. This is how to enter your debit card information on Google Pay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.